Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making bookmarks. Let's get into it. On Tuesday, we made corner bookmarks and you guys loved the video. It was a fast, easy project that makes a great gift, great stocking stuffer, Easter basket, teacher gift, grad gift, any kind of gift. You could give it to a grad, you could put a bookmark within a book and stuff some money in the book, whatever you see fit. But you guys like the quick and easy project, so I've been experimenting with long bookmarks and what is the best way to make them. So I've tried it with different types of interfacing, I've tried it at different lengths, and I have found the best way, in my opinion, to make it. So I want to share that with you guys. Like I said, I've made them in a bunch of different styles here, test trialing. So anywhere between 2 inches wide to 3 inches wide is where you're going to want to fall into. So this is 2 inches, this is 3 inches. 2 inches is a bit small and 3 inches is a bit large. 2.5 is definitely the sweet spot. I like the 2 inches. And then for the length, you're going to want to stay in between 7 inches and 8 inches. So these guys are 7, this is 8, or this one's 7, sorry. So 8, 7.5, 7. So again, I think that 2.5 by 7.5 is the perfect right in the middle size, but do as you see fit. This has no stipulations. And once you're done, you could certainly embroider on these. You could do what is the letters I'm looking for? HTV on someone's name. You could give it as a teacher gift. I think these would make a great gift. So all you're gonna need is 2 pieces of fabric, which can definitely come from your scrap bin. If you need to piece the fabrics together to make the size, absolutely do that. And then you're gonna need a more stiff fabric. It's helpful if it's fusible, and then fusible fleece or another soft fabric. Again, having fusible does make it easier. So you're gonna wanna take your 2 pieces of fabric, which could either be the same or they could be different. On one side, you're going to put the fusible fleece, and one side you're gonna put the stiff interfacing. And this is actually left over from the project that we did with the leftover tablecloth when I did the circle placemats. This is when I Frankensteined that interfacing together. So I went ahead and just used that. Then what we're going to want to do is take the 2 pieces, put them wrong sides together. This project we are not turning. This is going to be one and done with the stitching. I would recommend 3 pins, 1 in the middle and 2 on either side. This is a great project for newbies or just trying to get back in the groove, you know, practicing your straight stitching, practicing cutting straight. The straighter your cut is and the straighter your stitches are makes for a better end product. It looks more professional. So definitely take your time. This is also a great project that the kids could be involved in. Have them help out when making the teacher gift. So we're going to put 3 pins in there. You could do no pins if you want, but pins definitely help. And we're going to want a stitch length anywhere from 4.0 to 5.0. And then we're going to stitch all the way around. You can back tack if you want, or you can overlap the stitches. It is decorative, but it is going to hold all the layers together as these are not fused to one another. The interfacing is fused to the outer fabric. So I'm just going to stitch all the way around. And I have my machine set at a 4.0 stitch length. You're going to want to do it anywhere from 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch, because we do need space to pink the edges. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to tune in for next week. We are going to be making bookmarks that are turned with a tassel. So stay tuned for the video on Tuesday. Certainly if you go slower, your stitches will be straighter and have a better end product. I was just trying to get this done on camera for you guys. See, we have our stitches all the way around. Then we're going to take our pinking shears and we are just going to pink all the edges. Now, a tip for making your pinking edge look even better is when you go to do one set of cuts, see here how we're midway through, line up the teeth into the previous holes and then keep going. Don't just snip, snip, snip. If you match it up, then it will truly look like a continual cut, even though your scissors can't go the entire length of the project. See how there's no double stitches or double pinks? It just looks more professional, looks more well done if you don't have any doubles. I will show you what I mean by a double. Let me sabotage this one. Can I even do it like this? Trying to. Okay. So can you see the top one versus the bottom one? There's a couple spots here, like right here and right here, where it's not perfect, it's not straight. If you just take a little bit more time with the pinking, it looks even better. So now we'll just pop our pins off, trim any of the threads, and you have a done product. One last step I would take is to iron it one more time. That will allow for the fabric to rest and be flat. You could even put it between a book for the night to keep it flat. But there you go, there's the done product. The 2 layers of interfacing allows it to stand on its own rather than being floppy. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Should bookmarks be horizontal or should they be vertical? Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.